Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this cutest beach bucket hat in Dress to Impress. So if you're ready to serve the ultimate summer vibes in the DTI, today I'm showing exactly how you can create this most adorable beach bucket hat that looks perfect for your next seaside runaway slide. So here is the trick. First, what you need to do is put on these two hats in here and color them the same. So for example, I'm going to go with this orange color for the hat, and next you are going to choose this headband and choose the patterns that you like. So I'm going to use the same pattern as the shirt, this one. And after that, put on this flower at the top, and I'm going to color it like this and put on these cute ribbons, and I'm going to make this light pink color, and that's it. So this is the final look for this cute beach bucket hat. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, and also subscribe and click thanks for more DTI fashion hacks. Bye.